Lilo. You're rubbing against this one. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Silly girl. Yeah. Thank you. She just takes a minute. Sometimes if you move too quickly, she will nibble on it pretty hard, but I kind of let her do all the work. Let her build the trust on her own. Let's see what she'll do if I move it a little bit. Yeah. Wow, this is actually a huge improvement. Silly girl. You actually like the cheeky rubs, and she loves treats and chicken and squeeze ups. Oh, there we go. So just gotta be careful with her. I think this environment is just overwhelming, but I've been using this just to keep her distance and have her adjust at her own pace. Good job, Lilo. Definitely will be great at hunting and catching mice. Alright. She's a cutie though.